what would be the best practices for targeting in-market plus keyword versus in-market pre-selected by YouTube or Google Ads? You need to set up two different ad groups. One with the first option as the audience and the second one with the second option, and then run it and see the difference. There's no way I or anyone else can tell you which is going to perform better. Every campaign is different, every market, every location is different. It may work in one country or area, but it may not work in the other places. So this is why the best thing about Google Ads or any kind of online ads is you can split test, you can make multiple tests and run these ads and test it. Then you decide, okay, this test worked, this one didn't, so I'm going to shift the budget from the one where it didn't work and put it on the ad group where it did work. So I would never ever give any kind of advice other than to tell you that yes, you do test. In market plus keywords, if I was to do a combination of audiences, then I would test topic plus keyword, because in market audience are the people who are already searching about that product or services on Google. So you want to keep it as pure as possible. You don't want to pollute it with some other audiences over it. But then you can test it and make multiple, or make as many ad groups as you like, and see which one is working, which one isn't working, and you should get your answer.